everyone, you guys know what time it is, man. I got another flip. Thank you! Ну точило! Я відповідаю! А чого тут, а? Що це таке? Під низом нема, головне. Це, певне, вона десь в Нью-Йорку вже каталася, десь up north. Але головне, під низом, да? Немає, я дивився, знімав. Hardtop ідеальний. Це саме головне. This right here, буде теж треба зробити буде. 17s. Okay, let's take a look on the inside. Cheeky pooky, carbon fiber. Let's check this out. Man, it's dirty. Заводим. Wow, look at this. Сидушки идеальные. Look at the seats. Look at the stitching on the seats. It's orange, man. Man, this is baller. All right, let's strap this bad boy. All good to go. I'm gonna go ahead. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to start it. So it'll be the first start. Let's go on the hood. Man, I love the wheels. They're 17-inch. I would rather have them 19 or 20s, at least 18. But hey, this will do. You know. I'm not sure if it's a 3-piece or a solid. Never heard of this brand, but the tires are new. Check it. Bam, homies. Got the intake. And the hood is all good. All right, battery. I can't remember the battery is in this thing. All right, fellas, moment of truth. Hopefully everything's good. The power? Yeah. See, it's been worked on, looks like. See that? And this right here, see this crack? Somebody worked on the bumper before. I have a piece on that side, so that's kind of cool. Okay, you ready? All right. Baller or what? 3,200 flip, basically here. $3,250 out the auction. Bring it here. Yo, what do you think? Uh-huh. Okay, let's take this picture off real quick. Bye, Jake. Thank you for spending. Let's go. Okay, Jake, to put in reverse, you're gonna have to push it down and then over this way. You got it? Yeah. Right here. All right. Just feel the clutch, feel the car. It's first time driving the Z?
Yeah.
All right. Let's rock and roll. It's like a go-kart, dude.
Yeah.
You're gonna love this car, man. You're gonna buy it off of me. All right. Wherever you want to go, dude. You like that?
Yeah, this is fun to drive.
Yeah, I know, man. This is a perfect flip.
Oh yeah.
Guys, comment below. Let me know what you think about this buy. Jacob so far likes it. Make sure to give me that big fat thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, make sure to click on that button over there. All right, let's enjoy this ride. We got some rain.
I know. It feels great.
Man, I love the response on this car, and it's so tight, man. Everything. You feel the torque?
Yeah. It doesn't feel like a car off the auction.
I just picked her up an hour ago.
Yeah. When you didn't know it was wrecked on the outside, it'd feel like a perfect car.
It is a perfect car.
Yeah.
There's no lights, nothing there,
Yeah.
dude. 135,000 miles? Are you kidding me? This car is like in perfect shape. Look at the suspension. Here's the suspension.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. So this is a buy where you kind of want to keep. This car, this is the kind of car you want to build.
Yeah. This car has digital sound.
Everything, dude. I love this car. And now I gotta figure out all this stuff in here because it has a speaker in here too. So this GVC stereo system, or I don't even know what you call it anymore. This thing is awesome, dude. Look at that thing. They usually put them in here too.
Oh yeah.
You approve? Thanks for helping me out today, bud. All right. Main damage is right here. And this thing is run and drive. I'm actually super, like, surprisingly shocked how good of a mechanical shape this car is. We'll talk about that later. Right now, I just want to give you guys a glimpse. Let's take a look on the inside real quick. And it's hecka dirty, that's for sure. But check out the seats, are in excellent shape for 2004. Are you kidding me? Look at this thing. A little bit over here, but that's, 2004. The stitching, beautiful. With these cars also, the hardtops always leak. I got really fortunate on this one. And also, the back window always falls off or lose itself, whatever you want to call it. But as I mentioned earlier, I'm really fortunate that it looks like someone just changed the top. So it's like in excellent shape. Look at that thing. That's not a 2004 original top, unless it was kept really well in a well-maintained garage. So someone took care of it. What does that tell you? Check out the wheels. They're 17-inch, but these will do. And one thing also about the wheels, the tires look like they just got changed or been changed. They're in excellent shape. All right, let me just wash this thing and we'll talk about it in more detail and more depth shortly here. Look at that thing. Inside is filthy now, so I have to spend another couple hours cleaning all this and everything else in here, and then we'll go over the interior, what we got, what we have. Stereo system is awesome. It's really well taken care of. Boom. This is 2004, keep in mind, 3.5. Do have a cold air intake, but the cool part is, what's going on over there? Looks like the head gaskets got changed and the new valve covers on there. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on there, but I'll tell you one thing, everything is super clean. No oil anywhere. Okay, let's take a look underneath here. Look at this. Nice. And I'm also wondering what's an undercarriage, because this thing is in great, I mean like awesome shape. Suspension is like super tight. Brakes are insanely active. Like you barely tap it and it stops. Look at that. So I don't know if the brake caliper has been modified, but this thing is full of surprises. Guess we'll find out, won't we? I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this car yet. Either I'm gonna replace the bumper to the OEM bumper, or should I build something out of it, put a body kit on? I do not know, but a lot of thinking to do. This right here will need to be repaired completely. This rust, that's a big no-no, and I don't like that kind of stuff over here, so I'm gonna fix all that. And so if I'm fixing that, that means I'm gonna be spraying this. If I'm spraying that, this bumper right here could be replaced also, because it looks like it's been damaged here too, right here. So if I replace this bumper, which I don't have to, I can fix that, but if I do, I can install a body kit. So I'm not sure, we'll see. Will this be a drift car? Maybe. But I am very, very blessed, put it this way, with this buy. Bought the whole car for $3,250 with 135,000 miles on it. 2004. Stick around, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be working on this car and I'll let you guys know what the decision is on this particular project. Awesome project. Man, awesome. See you guys next time.